how you can make money online. Guys, I told you the other day that each and every time I'm going to give you and shower you with different ways on how you can make. The first way that you can earn money online, the first opportunity is through something we call website. If you have your own website, you can make money online. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you how you can make money online through a website. The other thing that you can do online, the other opportunity is through something we call survey and products. There are some websites, there are some sites that I'm going to share with you guys today that you can go and make easy money, guys. So the third way that I'm going to talk about is something that we call making money online through referrals. Making money online through referrals. I'm also going to educate you. I'm also going to tell you how you can make money through referrals, either by your phone or by your laptop, guys. But before then, my name is Albert Kaboom. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, consider subscribing so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get updated, guys. So Google says once your site is monetized, like the way YouTube is monetized, also guys, if you reach more than 50,000 viewers in your site or your website, there is a certain amount of money that you're going to be paid by Google, but they will be learning what's in your site. Remember, once you have your own website, it's like a car. That is your own property, guys. So anybody who wants to advertise anything in your website, as long as you have traffic, they must come through you, guys. What an exciting thing for you guys. So make sure, if you want to have a website also, guys, I'm going to make another video on some ways and some places where you're going to get your website from, because I feel as an individual to have a website still is a little bit tricky, but there are those ways. So make sure that the next video that I'm dropping, guys, make sure that you have subscribed so that when I drop that, you'll be the first person to grab that opportunity, guys. Know where you can get a website, and at least, you know, a website will give you good money, and I'm telling you guys, it's all about good money. You're going to earn good money. So the second way you're going to make money online is through something that we call survey and product, guys. What do I mean by survey and product? This is where you fill some surveys online. I'm going to give you some of the sites that you're going to visit. You follow the steps, go register yourself. You will have an account there, guys. So how do you do survey? You're going to be given petty questions that you're going to be answering either yes or no, and then from there, guys, you can earn some money. It's either $5, $2 to $5, of which is good per survey. Maybe you can be asked to answer like 10 to 15 questions. After that, guys, you're going to get your money. Some of the sites that you can do that is one of them that is very good, that I know I have used myself, so I'm telling out of experience, is something is a site called Treasure Troop, guys. From there you go treasuretroop.com. You can go to your Google, just search treasuretroop.com. You're going to fill your details, you're going to have your account, and they are going to they can give you 1 to 20 surveys per day. So when you get maybe 15 or 10 surveys per day, guys, then you're being paid $5. So in a day you can make up to $50, which is good money for a start. With the time you're going to be given 20 surveys where you're going to fill those questions, and also you are going to get that money. So other sites, guys, that you can find survey and product and fill some survey is like Opinion Outpost. You can also opinionoutpost.com. Also you can go to your Google and search I.say.com. You can also, guys, the last but not the least that you can find surveys is branded surveys. You can go to brandedsurveys.com. You will find surveys there, and there are so many surveys that you will be given from there. You can earn money from there, guys. So the number 3 thing that you can do online, the number 3 opportunity for you guys to earn money online is through something that we call referrals, guys. So in all the other ways that I've given you, you can earn money either through website, either through survey and product, guys. all of them you'll find most sites have got what we call referral commissions. So once you refer anybody, you're going to be given a certain amount of commission. So my name is Albert Kaboom. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Also guys, remember, also if you have any question or if you are stuck anywhere, just comment on ask the question that you have on the comment section. I'm going to reply your comment, and I'm also going to reply whatever you are stuck. The answers I'm going to give you, I'm here for you guys. So thank you for watching the video. See you next video. Make sure that you subscribe because I have a big thing coming next video guys. So bye bye. I love you so much. God bless.